Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix invalid phone number. This phone number is invalid. Enter a new phone number and try again. So guys, if you're trying to create an Apple ID on your iPhone but you're facing this problem or this message again and again and you are unable to create your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after this you have to open your App Store. Here it is, and from here tap on your profile from here, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID if there is any Apple ID in your App Store. Then you have to create your Apple ID from using your App Store. So as from here you have to simply create your Apple ID using your App Store. So as after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then go back to your home screen, and from here open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general and tap on about, and from here make it sure that you are using the updated version of career settings in your device. So if there is any career updates in your device, simply update it, and after this go back, and from here tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, if there is any update available, simply update it, and after this go back, and from here scroll it below and tap on language and region, and from here select your country or region correctly from here. So as after this go back, and from here tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So as after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then open your browser and search here for support.apple.com. So guys, here you can see this, tap on this, and from here you have to select your device, and from here you have to scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to tap on get support to get any kind of support from the Apple authorities or the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.